Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And at a recent trade show, we got our eyes on a Werner 12.5 foot telescoping ladder. So I want to talk to you about it because it's got a really innovative design. We reached out, got a sample, and I've been using it for several weeks now. The Werner 12.5 foot telescoping ladder, its model number TS1250, is engineered for safety, stability, and versatility. And it's a great ladder if you're a pro contractor. For that matter, a DIY or a homeowner too, but it accepts a variety of tasks. So it adapts to the tasks like high shelves, attics, rooftops, and it can navigate into tight spots where a traditional ladder would be really hard to get into because they're so long. Some of the key features before I get into the review is the ladder retracts down to 35 inches for compact storage, has a one-click mechanism, which basically simplifies the retraction. Speed controlled lowering, so you're going to prevent kind of a sudden collapse and finger pinching. A visual lock indicator, green or red, which just tells you if the ladder is locked and safe to climb on. Slip resistant feet, non-marring bumpers, which are, give you more stability obviously on any ladder. And a reinforced rail-to-rung connection. The steps are really wide, which are pretty nice. And it offers kind of a comfortable area kind of to move around on. And it's a Type 1A ladder. It's rated for 300 pounds. This ladder is extremely compact and portable, and one of its biggest advantages is the telescoping design. When fully collapsed, it measures 35 inches, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. It weighs 33 pounds. It's light enough to carry one hand using kind of a built-in top handle rung. And there's a Velcro strap that secures the ladder from expanding. And keep it tight when stored. For contractors working out of a van or a carpenter like me with a van, this ladder is a game changer. It straps easily to my bought smart van wall racking system. Its compact size makes it perfect for quick access to my roof racks to get down ladders or materials, and where normally I'd have to grab a step ladder. As far as versatility in action using the ladder, it has an adjustable height range from 3 feet to 12.5 feet and a 16-foot reach based on a 5'7" user. So someone my height could work it up to 16 feet. It works great in narrow hallways and stairwells and uneven surfaces. Has a reinforced aluminum construction. It's going to ensure durability. And even in challenging environments like gravel driveways or foundation holes or slope lawns, construction sites, you name it. The extending the ladder, as far as operating it up and down, extending the ladder is quick and intuitive. It's got a clear visual lock indicator. Green is locked, red is unlocked for added security, so you don't step on that. Retraction is where the ladder kind of stands out thanks to a kind of a speed-controlled lowering system. It retracts smoothly and safely. It prevents sudden collapses, reducing the risk of pinched fingers. Unlike cheaper ladders, telescoping ladders, which can be jerky and unstable, the Werner ladder has a soft close mechanism, just a nice controlled, decent descent. Maintenance and cleaning. Because of the telescoping design, keeping the rails free of debris and dirt is important for smooth operation. Werner actually includes a green scrubby pad so you can clean it from dust and splatter and dirt buildup so it'll slide nicely. Some of the key specifications. The width of the ladder is 20.7 inches. Maximum height is 12.5. The reach is 16, like I mentioned. The rung depth is 3 inches. The step rise is 12. It stores 4.3 inches deep, 3 feet high, and 33 pounds. It's really nice, guys. Price and availability on this ladder. This product has been moved back until mid-March of 2025, and they're anticipating a March 17th launch. With that being said, pricing is still being determined, but they're thinking somewhere around $350, $399. They're not really sure yet, probably $399. As far as improvements to the ladder, I don't really have any suggestions for improvements on this particular model, but my excavation contractor was saying that he saw it and saw me using it. He wished it was a little narrower for manhole covers and septic work. Me personally, I like the wider ladder because I can kind of move a little bit on it and kind of turn, and it gives me a little bit more of a working platform when I'm doing things. But we have different scopes of work, so that makes sense. Final thoughts. The Werner 12.5 foot TS1250 telescoping ladder is a top tier choice for pros. And look, DIYers and homeowners too, who all want a safe, sturdy, compact ladder. This is a problem solver too, because you can get into places you couldn't get a ladder to. It's smooth operation, heavy duty build, portability. It makes it a must-have tool for a wide range of projects, from repairs to full-scale renovations. I highly recommend this. I recommend it for contractors, carpenters, or anyone in the trades looking for a premium telescoping ladder. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. It was a short one. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. We love hearing from you guys. And please subscribe and hit that notification bell right there. We can use your support and we appreciate it. We'll see you at the next review. Take care.